Okay, I've got Jake Gyllenhaal here. He's going to sell you some bonds, all right? Hey, he looks like Jake Gyllenhaal, too. It's actually really good.
Salemo, can you spot up the 10-year on the Alcoas?
Tell Rich he's
He's
done.
in. It's done.
Let's go 50,000 same way.
Perfect.
Perfect? Good deal.
So just a few questions.
Yep.
Is this your first time here?
It is.
So why are you here?
So it's September 11th. Can you tell me a little bit about this day means to you and why you chose to be here at Cantor Fitzgerald?
No, this is not
Done?
Louis C.K. I'm
All right.
sorry. You got Steve Buscemi, all right? No, he can't come to the phone right now.
Wait a minute, I like this question. Why are we here? I'll tell you why we're here. We're all here to help each other. You know, on 9/11, as awful and terrible as that tragedy was, I didn't meet a New Yorker that day that wasn't looking for a way to help. What I appreciate what Cantor Fitzgerald does is that every 9/11, every year, they try and recapture that spirit where New Yorkers come together and help each other.
I don't remember many events that have happened in my life that I know exactly where I was, what I was doing, and how it made me feel. And I'm Australian, I was on the other side of the earth.
I'm from here, born in Jamaica Hospital, Queens. I'm a complete New Yorker.
I live in Tribeca. I was, 5 blocks from the World Trade Center.
You know, all of a sudden you realize how what we did for a living was so insignificant.
I was in the 6th grade. My mother worked at One Liberty Plaza.
For everyone, September 11th was personal. This bow tie was bought on 9/11.
Okay.
I wear it once a year.
What an honor to be here, honoring the memory of the workers who died, 658 Cantor Fitzgerald workers, and donating money to various charities. And this company has donated $280 million since 9/11.
We are so proud of all of you giving up your commissions and salaries and everything else in order to do really, really good in the world. Before this becomes a day of uplifting and joy and spirit, we ring a bell to remember those that we love, and then we will go and help the 150 plus charities that we take care of.
Legacy. How could these men and women be memorialized in a way that would pay back the good that was done to us in the wake of 9/11? We came up with Charity Day. We would give 100% of the revenues at Cantor Fitzgerald and BGC Partners to all the charities that were important to our employees and our clients.
We come in and we do sales.
Coming this fall, Steve Buscemi, Whoopi Goldberg, and Dule Hill in the critically acclaimed Cantor Fitzgerald.
$5 million. That seems a little small to me. I don't know.
It's Charity Day.
Is that it? Come on, it's Charity Day.
Being an actor, I probably should have done more research.
I don't know anything about trades. This is the most foreign place in the world to me. I closed so many deals. I'm shocked. It was so easy.
If we want to talk baseball, I'll talk baseball with them. They're talking MGI, 400 million shares, whatever.
I could get into this.
It's easy, right?
Look at the excitement on the trading floor. I mean, today they're smiling, they're having fun. Half of them don't know who I am, but they get to meet all these sports guys.
The Red Sox fan, we make them buy more.
The beautiful lady, she closed a $1 billion deal, so I'm like, of course, Johnny Damon may not be able to do that.
I had no idea people traded that much money just before, before lunchtime. It's crazy.
You get to learn a little something, actually probably nothing at all, and get in there and be made fun of a bit.
There were times that I thought that I was selling and I was actually buying, so I'm learning.
This is my first time here and I'm having an absolute blast.
Sean, how you doing? It's President Barack Obama.
I don't know what I'm saying, Sally, so just please buy the thing.
If you can't close a deal on Charity Day, you're not very good.
I didn't have any rejections over the phone, I will tell you. Feels good. I know we're making money for charity, and that's all that matters.
I can't imagine a better way on this day to do what we're doing. For them to get outside of themselves and the pain and the loss, and to find a creative, fun, Walt Fraser's walking by. We've got to do that.
They said, why not? I can't think of why not. That's perfect. Let's do it.
Around this time of year, we all sort of get into this weird funk again. And knowing that I get to come here and do something across the board good changes my feelings. This is very much a part of the city's fabric and the financial world's fabric now.
I watched the morning show from that day as it was unfolding, and I feel it's just an observance that I feel compelled to make every year. And then I followed up with this. and it's so great. It's so affirming.
It's such a meaningful way to go forward.
It's great for the city, it's great for the world. I want to live in that grace. I want to be in that grace.
You got to find a way in which you fit. Cantor Fitzgerald found that, and it helped them not to get over a traumatic experience that you can't even describe, but it helped them to put it in the right place.
I do appreciate that nobody says that's already old hat. The commitment is not going to change. I'll be here next year again.
People who worked at Cantor Fitzgerald and the people who were killed that day were beautiful people with great families, with beautiful wives and husbands and children and parents. These were just wonderful human beings who lived vibrant lives.
I've had the opportunity to meet and interact with so many people who have taken their own personal grief and done spectacular things in the world. And sometimes the most spectacular thing that they can do in the face of a trauma and a tragedy is get out of bed and take care of somebody else. If you can find something larger than yourself to focus on, it will help you heal and you will be able to do great things in the world.
Going through life, it's very difficult to do it alone. You've got to be a good teammate, and you expect a little help. Having this as a memorial, I know I'm proud to be here, to be a part of it just for a day.
Be very thankful and be appreciative of those before us. So they may be gone, but they're not forgotten.
Lash Tömmernes ja jälleen sieltä viivan kautta pelataan. Spencer Abbottille kiekko. Lash liukuu nyt tuonne maalin taakse. Joel Lundqvist oli siinä maalin edustalla. Ja sitten täällä oikealla puolella päivistää Jonsson, Andres Jonsson. Nopeasti Tömmernesille. Tömmernes. Ja sitten jälleen Abbottille. Keskellä Lundqvist. Ja sieltä lipsahtaa! Sehän oli erikoinen maali, mutta kaikki lasketaan. Frölunda menee 1-0 johtoon ylivoimalla. Kovasti siinä pyöritettiin ja jauhettiin ja laukauksia sateli. Jyp joutui tuossa vähän vaikeuksiin tuon Joton Nättisen jäähyn jälkeen. Tietysti sen aikanakin pyöritettiin ja heti melkein siihen perään tuli tuo Jonkmanin vähän tyhmä kiinni pitämisjäähy ja sen pystyy Frölunda sitten kuittaamaan. Se liikuttaa kiekkoa hyvin nopeasti siinä ja pystyy saamaan sitten laukauksen aikaiseksi. Vähän erikoisesti sieltä pomppaa Spencer Abbott. Noin. Tuo oli vähän kun olisi kulma futiksessa tehnyt kulmapotkusta suoraan maaliin. Sieltä se kimpoaa. 4 vastaan 20 sekuntia. Kiekko Jonkmanille. Katsotaanpa tuota Jonkmanin kiekollista osaamista. Ratkaisu siinä siitä maalin taakse. Ja sieltä sitten nousupaikka. Niku näkee hyvin siitä paikan. Ja Nikulle paikka tasoittaa ja irtokiekko, mutta sieltä se menee. Joonas Nättinen onnistuu sieltä vasemmalta puolelta vielä. Ja numerot siirtyvät 1-1. Hyvin pelaa nyt tilanteen loppuun asti. Tai onko Sami Niku, joka siitä suoraan menee. Nättinen oli vielä siellä vasemmalla puolella, mutta Niku on tässä hyvää kiekollista osaamista kyllä esittänyt aikaisemminkin. Tässä Nikun nousu. Siinä niin 18-vuotias puolustaja, joka on siis vahva ehdokas 20 kotikisoihin. Siitä Niku pääsee pistämään. Siitä niin torjunnasta ja Niku tökkäisee sen. No kyllä se oli Nättinen vielä, joka kävi varmistamassa toisella puolella. Ei se ollut kyllä Nikun veto suora. Tömmerenssin kova laukaus. Jälleen lähtee kyllä tosi vihaisesti. Johansson poikittaisi syöttää Abbottille. Abbott laukoo suoraan. Tarkki kestää. Spencer Abbott katsoo rauhassa viivaan ja Tömmernes paukuttaa ja kova on ruuhka ja siinä on Johnsonin paikka ja Johnson onnistuu pistämään kiekon maaliin. Ja siellä oli kyllä melkoinen ruuhka, kyllä tämä hyväksytään todennäköisesti, vaikka siellä vähän Frölunda-pelaajat vielä katselevatkin sinne, että tuleeko siitä jotain, mutta ei oltu siellä Tarkin alueella suinkaan ja Andreas Jonsson onnistuu sitten pistämään kiekon maaliin. Nyt se ylivoima sitten tuottaa tulosta, kun kolmannen kerran putkeen Jyppelaaja istuu jäähyllä ja Tuppurainen tosiaan 3. kerta tässä erässä ja toinen jäähy putkeen. Lundqvist saa sitä maali edustalta tuon irtokiekon väännettyä. Tömmernesin kova laukaus, Tarkin torjunta ja Lundqvist hienosti saa pelattua sinne taustalle Andreas Jonssonille. Kiekko lipsahtaa pullilta, ei pysty purkamaan ja siinä on Frölundalla paikka. Vielä katsotaan, Tarkki torjuu eteen ja sinne Jonssonille jälleen irtopala tulee. Jonsson siirtää vielä taakse, Tömmernes ja edelleen haetaan Abbottille paikka ja sieltä se lirahtaa sitten 3-1. Spencer Abbottin laukaus ja sitten on kahina valmis. Tuleeko siitä vielä jotain jälkipyykkiä, hyväksytäänkö tuota nyt sitten lainkaan? Kiekko menee maaliin, mutta oli siellä kyllä melkoinen trafiikki myöskin tuossa Jypin maalilla. Tässä hidastusta. Tömmernes pelaa Abbottille. Abbottin laukaus ja tuossa kohtaa kiekko on jo maalissa. Siinä nyt Kolehmainen menettää aika tyhmässä paikassa. Ryan Lässille kiekko tulee, Läss vielä herkuttelee takatolpalle ja sieltä se maali tulee 4-1. Olihan kaunis maali Joel Lundqvist siitä Kolehmaisen hölmöstä kiekon menetyksiltä se lähti ja Frölunda-kippari Joel Lundqvist lapioi sieltä takatolpalta Jypin osalta valot sammuksiin. Ja Jyp tämän ottelun häviää 4-1. Joel Lundqvist, se oli jo selvää viimeistään siinä vaiheessa kun tuo jäähy tuli. Lundqvist, Ryan Läss taitavasti vielä takaisin sinne Lundqvistille ja Lundqvist pääsee siitä sitten siirtämään käytännössä tyhjiin ohi Tuomas Tarkin.